Good afternoon, class.
Good afternoon, teacher.
So before we will begin our new lesson, I have here some pictures that are related to the topic we will be discussing today. So please read the direction, everyone.
Identify the missing letters to form a word.
So for the first picture, who wants to answer? Yes, Victor?
I think it is sunny day. I think the missing letter is N and Y.
And
S and Y.
And what do you think that word is?
Sunny day. Sunny day.
Sunny day, yes. Very good.
Word, yeah. Oh, work.
So, it is sunny day. And for the second picture, yes, Priscilla?
Orange and white teacher, and it is rainy day.
Very good. And for the third one, yes, Christine?
I and B teacher, and it is windy day.
Very good. And for the last one, yes, sweet?
Cloudy day.
Very good. Now, we have the words sunny, rainy, windy, and cloudy day. Now, I want to ask you, what do you think is our lesson for today? Yes, listen.
Our lesson today is all about the four types of speech.
Very good. So our lesson for today is the four types of winter.
Ipesa lang na siya mag-give.
Alright. Now, I have here another activity. And please read the direction, everyone.
Fill the missing word in the blanks.
Right. So, for number one, who wants to answer? Please read and answer. Yes, Jumai?
Number one, a day with dark, gray clouds and raindrops is called a rainy day.
Why do you think so?
Because of the dark and gray clouds and the raindrops. Teacher.
Is Jumai correct, class?
Yes, teacher.
Very good. So the answer is rainy day.
Yes.
For number two, who wants to answer? Yes, Christopher?
A day with blue sky, bright sunlight is called rainy. Sunny day.
Sunny day. And why do you think so?
Because I answered a sunny day because when we say the sky is, we say it's blue and sunlight is bright.
Very good. The answer is sunny day. For the third question, please read and answer. Yes, Mark?
A day with kites flying away is called a cloudy day.
Why do you think so?
Because the wind is
Is it Windy and cloudy. Cloudy? Yes, it is windy. And why do you think so?
Because of rain is
So, we can fly our kite. So it is windy day. So the last number. Please read and answer yes, Christina.
A day with a white sky and a variety of clouds shape is called a cloudy day. It's cloudy day because it's clouds. Shape. It's called cloudy day.
Who has any other answer? Yes? So Mike?
So, with regards same answer of Miss Christina, my answer to is cloudy day because of the variety of cloud shapes.
Variety of cloud shape. So it's called so now class, I have a video that I am going to show you in order for you to have a deep understanding of what are the characteristics of the four types of interface. So here it is. Guys. Do you understand us?
Yes, teacher.
Very good. Now, I want you to open your messenger and click the code that I said earlier for your next activity. Right. Alright, So now class, I will group you into 4 groups and please come up.
3,
4,
2,
2,
3,
1.
4. groups. This circle will be the group 1, group 2, group 3, and group 4.
Three.
Alright. Please sit down. Alright, please read the direction, everyone.
Construct a simple slogan that tells the importance of the four types of weather.
Alright, so group 1 mo kayo, right? So you're going to construct a simple slogan that tells the importance of the sunny weather. And group 2 will be rainy weather, cloudy and windy. Use your cell phone to construct a simple slogan and present here in front. Right. So I will give you only 3 minutes to do your work. So before presenting your work, please read the rubrics. Alright, please read the rubrics.
Criteria: speed, agility, and doing the activity.
Report 5, 4, 5, 3.
Cooperation: the members should take responsibility in their activities. Focus content: the same, the clear position at the beginning until the end of the work. Total of
Teacher, remember teacher.
15 points.
Teacher, remember teacher.
Alright, so are you done, class?
Yes.
So who wants to volunteer?
Teacher.
Yes. What's
We are group 4. We are the cloudy. Oh, we did everything. So for our slogan that we make is everyone, please listen to me. Kung hindi ko machanilas. Okay. Our slogan is hair be crazy, day be windy.
Will you please explain your
It means hair be crazy kinama. It means we hair na kasi doon siya, it means ano sa kanang crazy. So kung sa susangin na tunggo ma kagkan. That's your
very good. So next.
This is our group study and we have human your own sunshine. Of course, we cannot depend solely to someone because we have our own pathways. Dili ta kailangan talaga magkabulag-bulag confidence. So we must create our own sunshine. Right?
Next group.
yes.
Kita man tanan. May uwi man ta.
When the sky turns gray, the world feels okay. It's cloudy day.
Last group.
When the rain falls, life begins to rain. It's a rainy day. Rain represents nature. It brings new life to plants, animals, and the environment.
Clap yourselves, everyone. So, all of you got the perfect scores. So again, class, what are the 4 types of weather? Yes, Christopher.
So the 4 types of weather teacher is the sunny day, rainy day, windy day, and the cloudy day.
Very good. And when can we say that today's weather is sunny day? Yes, Jumai?
Wind and sky are clear and there are sun in the clouds.
Yes, very good. And how about rainy day? Yes, Mark?
We can say that it's rainy day when it's raining.
Alright, we can say that a day is rainy day if we can see a raindrops fall to the ground. Alright. And what if we say that today's day is a cloudy day? Yes, Maria. Oh, yes, Elisa.
It's a cloudy day with many clouds.
Alright, very good. And how about a windy day? How can we say that today's day is windy? Yes, Christopher.
We can say when the day is windy, teachers, when we can see the trees in our environment will like to dancing.
Alright, very good. Yes, you have.
And when we say a windy day, it's nice to play a kite.
Alright, very good. So now I see that all of you are already full of knowledge with our topic, which is the 4 types of river. And I think that alright, so please open your messenger again and check the code that I sent earlier for your evaluation.
Teacher. We're done to answer the evaluation, teacher.
Are you done, class?
Yes, teacher.
How's your score?
Perfect.
Very good. Clap yourselves. Clap yourselves. So later I will be sending your assignment and later na lang po kung mag-answer. So that's all for today's video.
Thank you.
Goodbye, teacher. Goodbye, teacher.
Goodbye.
Next.
Sit. It's lovely. Wait.
Sit,
It was me.